Can a friendship truly survive a betrayal of epic proportions, especially when cameras are rolling? Summer House fans are reeling from the latest drama surrounding Ciara Miller and West Wilson, whose on-again, off-again dynamic has been a roller coaster this season. Ciara bravely opened up about her fears, admitting she was terrified West would embarrass her again, especially after his notorious hookup with her former bestie, Batula, threatened to detonate their fragile connection. Despite the looming scandal, Ciara desperately wanted to mend fences, leading to a raw, unfiltered conversation that left viewers absolutely stunned. Ciara confronted West about him downplaying their bond in the press and his shocking public flirtations, revealing the deep hurt she felt. West, attempting to defend his actions, eventually offered the simple words Ciara longed to hear, "I see you." In a jaw-dropping twist, they agreed to become best friends again, a development that had fans buzzing with both hope and skepticism. However, this newfound peace was tragically short-lived, with the Batula bombshell just waiting to explode. This behind-the-scenes saga proves that in Hollywood, even friendships can't escape the drama. Don't miss out on more exclusive celeb scoops and hit that subscribe button for all the tea.
Join our community for the hottest celebrity gossip and trending news.